Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can model this Cupra steering wheel auto start stop engine buttons. So we have here the image. As you see, there's a buttons on the sides that's enable the modes, and this one for start stop engine. And I just scanned this steering wheel with my iPad, and as you see, it's not that accurate, but actually do a good job in terms of making the dimensions or the locations and the curves that I wanted to model my board. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm just going to clean this mess around the steering wheel, because I just don't need all of that, and I'm going to make it correctly set up with the origin of my SolidWorks world, and then I'm going to start model the piece. So let's begin. Just edit the mesh first, and I'm gonna select group selection, remove the band selection, and I'm gonna select my steering wheel only, and then I'm going to flip or invert this current selection, then delete. Alright, so now just a little bit cleaned up, and what I'm gonna do now, then I can go with the paint selection, and I'm gonna paint all of this like that. Alright, make sure it's just around it, fully around, and I'm gonna delete this, maybe delete this also. Okay, now I'm going to select my bodies again, this one only, and invert and delete. Okay, now I have this small part. All I need in this area is just only this side here. So I'm gonna go to normal to the view and start moving around. Make sure you enable the gizmo editing, and I'm gonna rotate a little until it's just correctly fit with the planes here. So from here it just need to be like a little bit like this, and this view. All right, now the top view, a little bit like that. All right, so this is gonna help me a lot to model without any issues. Okay, now I think we're just good. Now after we just did that, I'm gonna go to mesh smooth. Now pay attention to this area right now. So I'm gonna make like smoothing to it. When I just go to the mesh smooth, I'm gonna make this like 1, and for the size of the version like maybe 1.5. Now I'm gonna press OK. Now take a look at this, so you can see the difference. Let me just undo and redo again. Okay, so it's just a little bit cleaner now, so I can model on a nice and smooth surface. Okay, so after that I just modeled the bottom, and that's how it should look when it's just modeled. And we go to the curvature, so everything looks great and nice and smooth. Now after I just did that, I can easily convert it, and as you see, everything looks great. And I just did some fillets between them, just combining the slender and the main part. And after that I just took it to my process slicer to 3D print it.